All right, so is it going to be a nice weekend for maybe a margarita, patio, guacamole, whatever?
Guacamole on the patio?
Yeah.
Yes, it sure is. So we are looking at a little bit of a cool afternoon today, but it does warm up every afternoon this weekend. So for your Friday, temperature does climb into the mid 50s. So maybe one of those days where if you are wanting to get out into a patio, maybe find one with some warmers, maybe bring that extra layer with you, as temperatures do drop to about 47 degrees, and this will happen closer towards 7 this evening. So if you have any evening plans, definitely want to make sure to bring that extra layer with you because yes, it does remain chilly, but the winds are going to be much lighter. Yesterday, winds were gusting 30-40 miles per hour. Today, wind out of the north at 5 to 10. High temperatures across the area into the mid 50s, about 55 in Fort Worth, 53 for Denton, 52 in McKinney, 53 in Terrell, and this will be sometime between 4 and 5 in the afternoon. Sunshine. It's going to be all across North Texas, not just today, but Saturday and Sunday as well. On Saturday morning, it's going to be cold. Temperature about 32 degrees. So if you have any sensitive plants, be sure to bring them in. 65 on Saturday for the high, 71 with sunshine on Sunday. Perfect day to get out. But I do want to give you that heads up. Monday, rain returns. We're looking at colder weather Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday. And let me talk you through that. So we do have this system that continues to work its way east and out of the area. The Lone Star State looking clear across the whole state. So if you are planning on maybe taking any road trips around here, maybe Oklahoma, they're actually looking pretty good. Not just today, but Saturday, highs will be in the 60s across the state. And on Sunday, temperatures closer to the low 70s. We'll see a little bit more in the way of cloud cover. But if you are planning on doing maybe some bonfires, highly suggesting against it because we still have an elevated fire danger for this weekend, and this goes through Monday ahead of our next system. We are still in a significant drought. Look at how much it's grown here over the past few months. This is now showing you the latest update. The Metroplex still between moderate to severe drought. Across the Red River, that bright red that you see there, that's indicating an extreme drought. We are still several inches of rain away from reaching no drought status. But over the next several days, it looks like we could get a little closer. We'll take what we can get at this point. Across the Metroplex, we could pick up anywhere between half to 1 inch of rain. The more west you are, the less rain you'll likely get in the next week. Let me show you why we're potentially picking up anywhere between half to 1 inch of rain. This is Monday. This is showing you Monday night into Tuesday. Our next system comes in, helps bring in rain across North Texas. As of now, it does look like a few of these could contain some strong storms, so it's going to be one of those days where you do want to be weather aware. We do get cooler air that comes in Wednesday into Thursday, looking a little bit iffy in terms of winter weather. So as far as what to plan for, timing, we're still not completely sure enough to tell you. And as far as how much of it, well, that's still remaining uncertain. We do know that the potential is there, and it's one of those days where you want to just be aware. We are going to have this info up on our website. And of course, you can tune in here. I'll have another update for you coming up in a few moments. Sonia.